Hello and welcome back. At that time, we already make our interface with some menu item. In here, you can see here. In case of if you want to change our image of menu item, you can select in here. You can see here. For example, now we already set the image of the rest is more. We can change this to another type in here, which Apple already set it for us, or you can use custom image. Okay, for example, I will choose another custom image for this menu item. Okay, first of all, you check to rest item and drag it to here, and we choose copy and add this to our attention. And now we can in here we set it to rest PNG. Okay, now check. You can see here now our rest is black. Although our rest PNG is rest, but when we set it, we already have black. And remember that we have to use the black and white image black and white to use the for menu item. As you can see here, all of the image from the Apple is black and white. Okay, so first of all, I will change this to black and white. Okay, I already prepared some PNG file for you, and you keep it to this folder here. Okay, now we can set it on our interface. For green, we choose to the custom and set it to green, red, custom red, blue, custom blue, white, custom white. Okay, now run to check. Okay, as you can see, we can set our custom image for our menu item. Okay, now we will hook all of our element to interface controller. With this interface, we already have a custom class interface controller to control it. So we now open Assistant Editor. We can select it here. We can choose option and select this interface controller to change at the right side. Okay. Now we mark it. Function. Okay, now for this interface, we want to control this whole score because maybe we want to change the color of this. This label is same, and the outlet in here is the same because we want to the color of title of this button. Okay, we can make it the home score label, and here's our home score label. Yes, minus button, and here is plus button. Okay, and we make the function for this. Okay, minus button press. Oh, you can see here we make outlet of this not a function. We can undo this by Command Z and remove of this. Okay, Here remember to choose the action and minus button press, and here plus button press. Oh, once again I forgot to do that. Plus button press. Okay, now we have some menu item in here, and we want to change our interface depend on which menu item that we press. Okay, so we can hook this menu item similar like our button. We can, because we can't select it on the interface, we only can select it on here. Okay, keep control and drag here, green button press. Okay, I call this menu item press. You can see here we only have an action, so we can control the outlet of this menu item. You can see here each bay action is similar like our button. Okay, so I think it's similar. That yes, red menu item press, blue menu item press, and the last one is white menu item press. Okay, now we can check for all our button is working. Okay, print minus button press. This we want to check. Okay, now check. You see here, minus is okay, plus okay. So up the menu item, green is okay, red is okay, blue, white. Okay. Now we have our first interface is okay. And for another interface is always score here. We have a similar. Okay. So first of all, we create new controller to control this. Source calculator class here, and we can make it away interface controller. And add it to ours here. Okay. Now we can set this to away interface controller here. Let's keep on scroll back WatchKit. Now we open here and can choose away here. WatchKit foundation is okay. So similar, we can copy if we want here interface. We can copy here if we want, but we have to make the outlet circuit. But we can copy the function in here. I think it's similar. Okay. Instead of our home label is always label. Okay, minus button plus button is okay, the same. Here's all the same, but now we have to connect this element to our ship controller. Okay, first one always call keep control and put it to here. Score label to here, minus button to here, plus button to here, and now for function, minus button press, plus button press, and now for win menu item, rest menu item, value item, and y item. It's okay. Now we have to remember to change the image of this menu item. We didn't do that, so now we can change it to here. You see info, change it to custom, set it to green, red, custom red, blue, custom blue, y, custom y. Okay, now we have a second controller has been already set up. Now check it. You should check your code step by step, because when before we move too long away, maybe we have some problem and we don't know why. Okay, you can see here minus plus. Okay, in red, blue, white. It's okay now. Now we have to set up this. Okay, so first of all we make a controller to control this. We can make it a score interface controller. Add this to our WatchKit. Maybe I have strong score interface WatchKit. Okay. Now we can set custom class to control this score WatchKit interface. Choose to our storyboard WatchKit edition. Okay. Now keep the option and open up the score interface. Okay. Now sit here. We will keep the score and this element is the same, and we no need to hook this element to our interface. We only need to hook this label, this label, and this label, and this label to our interface. Okay. So first of all, I will make it to the function. Make it eBay OutLet. We change this to home label and home score. Next is away label and away score. Okay. Now I think we finished to set up our interface and our in controller. In next section we will code to make this application work. Okay, see you later.